Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy and today I have a different type of video than I normally post. And it is about teeth whitening. And with that being said, I also want to thank the company Smile Brilliant for reaching out to me and for introducing me to their products. They're also kind enough to provide me with a giveaway for you guys, so definitely stay tuned until the end of this video where I talk a little bit more about how to enter. We all know that there are multiple products out there for teeth whitening, activated charcoal to whitening toothpaste, whitening strips, as well as if you go to your dentist, they would actually recommend you to get custom fitted trays, and they would also sell you the whole solution including the gel. The reason why dentists would recommend custom fitted trays is because they're the most effective and they also cover all the areas of your teeth since they're custom made to your own teeth. You're probably wondering at this point, what is Smile Brilliant then? Well, they're exactly the direct lab that dentists use for creating the custom trays for you. So basically, if you go to your dentist, they're going to take the impression of your teeth and then they're going to send that to a lab, and then the lab will make the trays. Your dentist will then call you back for a follow-up appointment, give you your trays, and then I guess, you know, give you instructions on how to use the gel to whiten your teeth. Smile Brilliant is basically that lab that I was talking about, and they have been doing that for dentists for many years, and now they're offering that direct process or that direct solution to people in general, so you don't have to go through your dentist. And as a result, you also save a lot of money because dentists will, you know, charge you the overhead for their visits as well as, you know, like the electricity. So the kit that I have is called the T6 sensitive system, which is good for average stains if you drink coffee or tea or wine on a regular basis. So it comes in this box. You'll get a lot of brochures, instructions to explain all the good stuff. So I'll just take this away, and then you'll get an envelope. So this is the return envelope for you to mail back the molds. So you'll get that, as well as a form like this where you fill out and send it at the same time as your mold. You'll also get these two trays here. So one is for your top teeth and one is for your bottom. And you'll be doing or making your impressions on these molds and send back to the company in that pink envelope earlier. In order to make that mold, you need to mix the paste that they provide for you. So it comes with a base as well as a catalyst. Once you mix the two pastes together, you'll basically have about 30 seconds to put it in your mouth, position it properly, and make the mold. So you wait until the mold forms, and it's pretty easy to mess up the first time because you're probably not expecting it to harden so fast, which is what happened to me. So that's why they also give you an extra set. So you have a set for your top teeth, bottom teeth, and then an extra sort of emergency set as well. And then along with your kit, you're also going to receive, so depending on what you order, depending on the stain level that you order, you'll receive a number of whitening gel as well as a number of desensitizing gel. Here's what the syringes look like. So you've got your desensitizing and your whitening, and every time you use it, you can just reseal it. Because I have the T6 system, then I get 6 of these and 6 of these. Depending on how much gel you need to use on your trays or how much gel you end up spreading on your trays, you might be able to stretch the number of applications. So that's what I was able to do. On average, it's about 3 to 4 applications per syringe. These are my trays. I also wanted to explain the reason why I was able to extend, I guess, the number of treatments on each of them is because I don't actually spread the product on all my teeth. I only really use it on obviously the front teeth as well as the 2 or 3 adjacent to the front teeth. You really don't need any product on the back teeth, and all you really need is a very thin strip in the front of your tray. You don't need it in the middle or in the back of the tray. So once the company receives your impression, they're gonna quickly make your molds and send it back to you, and this is what they're gonna send back to you with your custom trays. So these are for my top teeth, and they're fitted exactly to my own teeth, obviously, because they made it according to your mold. And then you've also got a bottom tray, so that goes on the bottom of my teeth. Okay, so now let's talk about my own experience using Smile Brilliant. So far, I've only used up a whole syringe plus one more application from a second syringe. So you can say I got about 6 applications. And as you can see from the before and after picture, it made quite a big difference already. I don't smoke and I don't necessarily drink wine very often. I guess my stains are coming from food as well as just regular coffee and tea drinking. And as you can see just from the few applications that I've gone through, my teeth overall has already lightened up and just a brighter smile in general. And in particular, I don't know if you can notice on the pictures, there's one teeth that is more stubborn and it has like surface stains that are a little bit sort of inside, I think, and this was able to get rid of it. The overall shade and brightness of my teeth is definitely improved. I'm pretty sure if I used up all 6 syringes that it will make even a bigger difference, because even after 1 syringe and 1 more application, I've already seen such big results. So depending on which system you need, they're all priced accordingly. The T6, I believe, is priced at $175 US. Whereas if you were to get the same sort of treatment and solution from your dentist, they'll probably charge you more along the lines of $700 or $800. I know because I actually had my own custom trays before, and it was a long time ago. It was at least like, I want to say like over a decade ago, and because I moved so many times and across the country, I lost them a long time ago, so I no longer have them, and I haven't been doing anything special to whiten my teeth. I just brush my teeth like normal. But now that I have the whole custom system again, then I know that I can sort of keep it up a little bit better. They are a US company, they're based in the US, their trays and everything, all the materials are made in the US. In case you're wondering, oh, only the US, don't worry, because they ship worldwide. You can choose the non-sensitive system, you can choose the sensitive system, you can choose the T3, the T6, the T9, depending on your stain levels, and they're all priced accordingly. And the giveaway is pretty awesome. One of you will be winning a store credit to spend on one of their amazing whitening solution. It's more cost effective because it's a lot less expensive. You're eliminating the middleman, which is the dentist. Custom trays are dentist recommended, and because it's custom made to your own teeth and your own sort of structure, then it will whiten your teeth more effectively because it can really go in all the nooks and crannies. All the products and the materials are made in US, and also they are a professional dental company, so you know that you're getting professional dentist recommended products. Just so you know, even if you buy whitening strips at the pharmacy or usually other types of whitening solution out there, they are using peroxide based products, so it's either hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide. So Smile Brilliant actually uses 22% carbamide peroxide, which is pretty standard among dentists. The other pro that I liked about the solution is that you have the ability to choose desensitizing gel as well. So like I said, you can choose the one without, you can choose the one with, but I highly recommend the one with because I don't know, I think most people have sensitive teeth, and even if you don't, chances are if you do use whitening products, it will make your teeth slightly more sensitive, at least temporarily. And so by having this product here, every time you whiten your teeth, you can apply this afterwards. It will really help you soothe the sensitivity. In this gel, you actually get potassium nitrate and sodium fluoride. Both of these ingredients are actually in Sensodyne, the toothpaste, which is exactly what they use to make your teeth less sensitive by blocking the pores, but in the form of a gel so that you can apply it to your teeth and leave it longer. Because with toothpaste, you're just gonna brush your teeth for what, 2 minutes and you spit it out, whereas with the gel you can just apply on the same trays and leave it on your teeth for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the cons, there are some. Whitening your teeth is quite tedious because every time you do it, you do have to clean your teeth, make sure they're clean before you insert your trays, and you do have to wait a certain amount of time. They recommend between 45 minutes to 3 hours. I do the minimum because I have sensitive enough teeth that I don't really want to leave them that long. Plus, I just don't have the patience to wait that long anyway. I feel like I'm building up saliva all the time and I just want to go and spit it out. So I just leave it for the minimum recommended time, 45 minutes each time. So it is quite tedious and it is time consuming. And especially if you also use a desensitizing gel, which I do recommend, but you know, you have to clean your trays, you have to brush your teeth again, and you have to reapply the desensitizing gel on your teeth and wait another 15 to 20 minutes. So it is a long process every time you do whiten your teeth. Another con is that teeth whitening does make your teeth more sensitive, at least during the treatment. And sometimes even like the day after. So personally for me, I wasn't able to do teeth whitening every single night. I was only able to do it every other 2 nights, because I find that for me, once I whiten my teeth that one night, the next day my teeth would be quite sensitive to hot and cold, so I kind of don't do it for that day, and then I do it the next day, or sometimes I might even skip 2 days. So it's really up to you, and you know your teeth best, but it does make your teeth more sensitive, at least temporarily, during your whole treatment. So that's definitely one of the cons that is known for all teeth whitening products actually. Last but not least, if you want to maintain the results, it is best practice to avoid drinking coffees and teas when you're doing your treatment, which is not something that I did because I still drank coffee and teas. But I tried to be careful. I would drink coffee and go brush my teeth right away. And also, if you do want to maintain your results in the long term, it is recommended that you go through the whitening treatment every 6 months or so. Finally, what do I think about the product? I think it's awesome. I think that since we have access to the professional dental kit without having to go to the dentist and pay a fraction of the cost, I love that. So I definitely recommend it if you're looking to get a brighter smile, or you have a special occasion. Let's say you have a wedding coming up, your own wedding. It will be the best occasion to get the kit to get your teeth whitened. Or if you're just one of those people who would love to get your teeth whitened once in a while and keep it really bright, then I recommend it for you. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new, or at least you found this interesting, that there is a company out there like that provides exactly what you would normally get at the dentist for a fraction of the cost, which is amazing. If you guys are interested, I'll pop all the links down below for you guys to check out. Just to recap, one of you will win the giveaway for store credit redeemable for one of their solutions. I will also have all the instructions down below in the description. There will be a link where you have to enter your email address and your name, and whoever wins the giveaway will be contacted by the company directly. Again, I want to thank Smell Brilliant for partnering with me on this video, as well as giving away to one of my subscribers the chance to whiten their teeth. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!